Hey guys, Mike here with Laser Restorations, and today I've got just a very quick video for you. I've got the throttle body out of my 1993 Dodge Shadow. Got it taken apart. You can see here it is gunked up pretty good. So we're going to be using our pulse fiber laser to go ahead and take all of the corrosion and dust and dirt and grease and everything off of this throttle body and make it look brand new. So I'm going to shoot that now, show you guys what it looks like afterwards.